Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Salwa Habibah. I come from Bogor. I am the 4th semester student majoring in Al-Quran Science and Interpretation, and also a course participant in the E1 Language Center class at Sunan Gunung Djati State Islamic University Bandung. Alright, today I will invite you all to discuss about traditional cuisine from an area of the opposite island, namely Sumatra. The clue is a food made from beef which is cooked for many hours with lots of spices and usually tastes spicy. Do you know what the name of the food is? Yes, that's right. As I wrote in the title of this video and as you have seen in the intro, you already know that the name of the food we will discuss in this video is rendang, or its other name is rendang Padang. Rendang or randang is the meat dish originating from Minangkabau. This dish is produced from a long-term low-temperature cooking process using a variety of spices and coconut milk. The cooking process takes many hours until all that remains is the thick black piece of meat and brain. This food category is the main course, which is usually served at room temperature or it's better eaten hot, with rice, steamed diamond-shaped rice, cabbage, lemang, cubada, and cassava leaves. Here I will explain two types of rendang, namely dry rendang and wet rendang. Dry rendang is a true rendang in the Minang cooking tradition. This rendang is cooked for many hours until the coconut milk dries and the seasoning is completely absorbed. Dry rendang is served for special events such as traditional ceremonies, festivity, or welcoming guests of honor. Dry rendang is usually darker rather blackish brown in color. If cooked properly, dry rendang can be kept at room temperature for 3 to 4 weeks and can even last for more than a month if stored in a refrigerator and 6 months if frozen. Some circles argue that the original taste of rendang Minang is the most delicious and very different from rendang in a number of other Malay regions. The second one is wet rendang or kalio. Rendang in Netherlands is kalio, which is still wet with soup. Wet rendang, or more accurately called kalio, is rendang cooked in a shorter time. Coconut milk has not dried completely, and at room temperature can only last in less than 1 week. Wet rendang is light golden brown and paler. And here I will explain you how to make kalio, which is usual cooked by my mother at home. Well, because my family is a Sundanese tribe, the ingredients and process of making it are somewhat different. Let's check it out. Making rendang or kalio requires proper cooking techniques to produce delicious dishes. In rendang, these ingredients are generally cooked for about 3 to 4 hours, but for kalio usually less than that. Here I will show the process of making beef kalio. First, prepare the ingredients. Ingredients commonly used are half-boiled beef, shallots, garlic, galangal, ginger and turmeric, coriander, candle nut, bay leaf and lemongrass, large red chili, coconut milk, and last seasoning. After that, blend all ingredients with a little oil. Stir fry all ingredients that have been mashed with the medium heat until cooked and fragrant. Then add the beef that has been cooked before and its broth. Mix with herbs. Then add the bay leaves and lemongrass, and don't forget to add flavoring, sugar and salt. Cook about 1 hour. And finally, please add coconut milk for a few moments before turning off the fire. And kalio is ready to be enjoyed. Meat that is cooked into rendang is usually very tender and tastes very rich because it is the result of preparation from many herbs and coconut milk, usually dominated by spicy taste. The nutritional content in rendang is quite complete, such as energy, protein, carbohydrate, calcium, iron, phosphor, and of course with vitamin A1, B1, and C. So on the contrary, rendang is one of the food that causes high blood pressure due to saturated fat, also causes cholesterol. So if you have that history, I don't recommend eating rendang. Rendang has a respectable position in the culture of Minangkabau people. Rendang has its own philosophy for the Minang people of West Sumatra, namely deliberation and consensus, which departs from the four basic ingredients that symbolize the integrity of Minang community. There are Dagyang or beef symbolizes Niniak Mama or traditional tribal leaders. Karambia or coconut symbolizes Cadiak Pandai or intellectuals. Lado or chili symbolizes Alim Ulama, which is firm to teach religion's law. And last, pemasak or seasoning symbolizes the entire Minangkabau community. And the last thing I will tell you about this cuisine is in 2011, rendang was named as a dish ranked first on the list of 50 world's most delicious foods version of CNN International. And in 2018, rendang is officially designated as one of 5 Indonesian national dishes. So, I really recommend rendang for you to try. Maybe this is the only explanation about the traditional cuisine from me. Sorry if there are any errors. If you have any suggestion for me, please write in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.